Continuing with our winter weather preparedness week, many of us have heard of the weather phenomenon El Nino. But do you honestly know what it does to us here in the Miami Valley? You're about to find out. The first record of El Nino dates back to the 1600s off the Peruvian coast. A fisherman noticed the warmer waters. Since it was the Christmas season, it was named El Nino, aka the little boy or Christ child in Spanish. The definition of El Nino simplified is the warming of the eastern tropical Pacific occurring every 2 to 7 years, which can alter weather patterns of the entire planet. El Nino will cause certain regions to have warmer or colder temperatures or drive a dry or a wet season. Australia usually will head into a drought, and India has a weakened monsoon season. The tropics are also affected, where the Pacific Ocean will see more activity, while the Atlantic hurricane season is lackluster. Well, with El Nino brewing, the Pacific tropical season did follow this pattern, producing 22 storms compared to only 8 in the Atlantic. El Nino is a part of the Enso cycle, an acronym for El Nino Southern Oscillation. This affects the jet stream and what you see out your window. The Enso cycle will either be in a neutral phase, La Nina, known as the cold phase due to cooler Pacific temperatures, and El Nino, the warm phase. So what does this mean for us? If El Nino is strong, it will be an overall dry winter here and above average seasonal temperatures just northwest of us. If it is weak, however, this on average leads to 28% more snowfall and slightly cooler temperatures. So what are our chances? Well, we are currently under an El Nino watch, but our chances have been up and down for much of the year. We are heading into the peak season, which spans from December to April. A strong El Nino is unlikely at this point, but we still have a chance of a weak one visiting us some point this winter.
All right, so week one means kind of a bad winter, right?
Yeah, you want it to be strong or none, and we're right in between that weak or none at this point, but still, it is looking like it could affect us maybe January, February into March. So that means a little bit more snow, so not a good thing. So
a
we'll
little
be saying
bit or
bad
maybe a lot?
Yeah.
I mean, I could do a little bit.
Well, 28% more, so it's easily could add another like 5-6 inches.
Yeah, we're not starting off the right either because it's not even winter and we have snow out there. So.
Oh yeah, I know, but at least it's not as bad as Buffalo and other areas.